Hey there everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing the front and rear cameras of the iPhone XS versus the new XR. Alright, so in this video we're going to be doing a quick camera comparison to determine and see if the iPhone XS really does have a better camera, or better cameras for that sense, since they both have the front camera as well as the rear cameras. The iPhone XS though has two rear cameras, two 12 megapixel rear cameras, while the XR only has one 12 megapixel rear camera. All right, so a little video here so that we can compare the quality of both of these cameras. This is a 4K video at 60 frames per second on both devices. So the sun is beaming from there, so let's go ahead and film this way so that we have the sun in our favor. Surprisingly, both cameras do look very similar. From my point of view right here, I don't see much difference. But you guys can decide that on YouTube. So yeah, let me know which camera you guys prefer, which one you think is the best camera. Well, obviously, the iPhone XS is gonna have the better camera since it has two 12 megapixel dual cameras, while the XR only has one. But yeah, what I want you to guys do is comment down below. Let me know if you see a difference, because I don't see much of a difference. And for the price difference of the phone, being that the XS is $999, starting at $999, and the XR starts at $749, I would assume that the camera for the XS would be much better. But the iPhone XR is not doing that bad, especially for the price. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. All right, everyone, so there are both cameras side by side, the iPhone XS and the iPhone XR. This one has, like I mentioned, a dual 12 megapixel rear cameras, while the XR just has a single 12 megapixel rear camera. The quality is pretty much to the eye the same. I didn't notice much difference. The only thing that I did notice different is that for portrait shots, since the iPhone XS and XS Max do have the dual cameras, it can zoom in a lot more and the portrait shots will look a lot better with the iPhone XS. That's the main difference that I see. I don't see much more difference, especially with the two front selfie cameras. Those are pretty much the same. Let me know what you guys think. If you notice any other differences in the shots and videos taken in this video, comment down below. And that is it for this video. So go ahead and give it a like. Hope you enjoyed it. It really helps us out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.